Well, now to the Alec Murdaugh case. Attorneys for the convicted killer say they've discovered new evidence and are looking for a new trial. They're set to hold a press conference this afternoon. ABC's Ariel Reshef has that story.
This morning, lawyers for convicted murderer Alec Murdaugh ramping up their efforts to have the verdict against him thrown out. His trial transfixed the nation. The wealthy South Carolina attorney found guilty of fatally shooting his wife Maggie and son Paul.
Guilty, guilty, guilty.
His defense team advocated for a mistrial multiple times, but the judge outright rejecting those requests.
The evidence of guilt is overwhelming, and I deny the motion.
Now, his lawyers say they have new evidence and have interviewed jurors in the case looking for bias, claiming there are serious questions as to whether this jury was subject to outside influences during the case. But after 28 days in court and 75 witnesses, the jury deliberating just 3 hours back in March, his eldest son Buster, who testified in support of his father, defending him in an interview in Fox Nation's The Fall of the House of Murdaugh, taking aim at the jurors who convicted him.
It was predetermined in their minds prior to when they ever heard any shred of evidence that was given in that room.
But in a bombshell, Buster also saying his father had psychopathic tendencies.
I'm not prepared to sit here and say that it encompasses him as a whole, but certainly I think there are characteristics where you look at the manipulation and the lies and the carrying out of that such, and I think that's a fair assessment.